Everything starts with an idea. The furniture industry is always changing. I've been to shows in Europe. I've seen the top retailers in North America from east to west, taking things that happen all around me, social media, design magazines. We take inspiration from all over the place so that we can bring it back and be leaders in innovation and design. A collaborative effort definitely brings together a better product. We meet several times throughout the product development process before it even gets to the final sketch because it elevates ideas. I might have a concept or a strong understanding of what I want it to look like, but coming together as a team and getting the different ideas together and different skill sets together makes for a much stronger design. Linda is our target customer. We want to make sure that we follow Linda through her 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and that we have a product that fits each of those phases of her life. We want to make sure that we are competitive. So we basically want to make sure that we have product that fits a range of sizes and a range of price points and that they marry to one another.
Once the product development team has determined a final style and submitted a drawing complete with design inspirations, it's the job of the research and development team to bring the drawing to life, turning a 2D project into a 3D project. It will specify what kind of seat height we're looking for, back height, arm height, width. We have a wide range of materials from OSB to different types of steels and plastics. PALLISER uses OSB because of its consistency, durability. It provides exceptional strength, which is very comparable to hardwoods and plywoods. We use high density, high resiliency foam, which is CertiPure certified foam. It has very low VOC emissions, and that's really for indoor air quality. Quality and testing is absolutely critical to us. Throughout the process, we'll take specific materials and our designs, and it will go through several series of different tests. We have foam testing, dynamic fatigue testing, ensuring that our frames are meeting those internal PALLISER standards. Once the model is developed, we move it over into structural analysis. The software essentially does a virtual assessment of whether or not it can handle specific loads, on arm, seat, back. It's really a marriage between all these different materials to ensure that we meet our expectations, which is really achieving that 10-year warranty, and beyond that 10-year warranty, we want that furniture to last a lifetime. When we get into the craft of making the piece, again from this 2D drawing, the craftsmanship that's required is it's remarkable. Taking a slab piece of foam, we have artisans out there that they'll carve it and they'll shape it and try to really marry that foam to that frame to try to achieve that design intent. Once that foam is draped on the frame, they'll start nipping and tucking at the cover and really letting that cover flow over top of the frame. Once our prototyping is done and that recipe for manufacturing is completed, we move into our manufacturing facility where the details don't stop.
Production is then tasked with taking those design concepts, reading the design information that was handed off by our R&D team, where they've taken CAD files, drawings, photos for assembly instructions, and ensuring that we build that product to meet customer expectations and our quality standards. We use a wide range of CNC technology driven by auto nesting technology. These nesting systems allow us to ensure that we get yields that meet our expectations and produce products that are cut to the right precision that we need. It's also important for us to be an environmentally friendly manufacturer. At PALLISER, we strive to recycle as many raw materials as we can. We have a need to use adhesives in our products. All of our adhesives are water-based adhesives. This type of product is very environmentally friendly, but not only that, it's also very safe for our employees to be using on a daily basis during their manufacturing processes. Every employee is responsible for the quality of products that they hand off to the next stage of production. But at the end of the production line, we still take the time and effort to ensure that we are giving a very thorough last look to the product that's been produced and then send a photograph of the front and back view, which we call the PALLISER birth certificate. And this is something that we're extremely proud of, to the point that we have people responsible for manufacturing that product actually sign off on that birth certificate that it met their expectations.
There's not one style that we put through that hasn't taken an immense amount of thought and work behind it. Seeing something not only launch, seeing a piece of furniture launch that you've worked towards, it's not only awesome for me, it's awesome for our whole design team.
It's a real sense of accomplishment, like seeing what was once a drawing, someone's idea, taking a lot of hard work and dedication to see this thing go all the way through the entire process, like through design, engineering, manufacturing, then to see it at the end of the line, it's remarkable. And it's something that I think many people here are passionate about. And this is furniture that can really live up to the rigors of a young family. And it's just awesome seeing this product that you can really stand behind and be proud of.